Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be sharing with you 5 reasons why your broiler might not be feeding well. I'm teaching Ryan from 5 Years Academy. From my own experience, here are the 5 reasons why your broiler stopped eating. 1 is sickness. Whenever broilers are sick, they don't eat, as in they don't have the appetite to eat. Then secondly is hot weather. During hot noon, during at a Hamatan period, broilers doesn't feed well. So this is the number 2, hot weather. They don't feed well. Or even when you are brooding, during brooding stage, when the weather is too hot or too cold, they don't eat, as in they don't eat well. Then the next one is when you feed them expired feed. They don't like eating expired feed. They will not be, as in they won't have appetite to eat. Then the next one is giving them a feed that is muddy, as in feed that's spoiled feed. They won't eat well, and some will eat, while many others will just reject the food. They will refuse to eat. Another reason might be that you switched from starter to finisher, unless you are feeding them finisher mash. Whenever you switch from starter to finisher, your broiler find it very difficult to feed. And the bonus point is that broiler doesn't feed well when they are around noisy area. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and recommend the video to your fellow farmers. Thank you.